I'm making some butter cheese garlic biscuits for supper tonight. I've already gotten started. What I've done is I've got 1.5 cups of white lily, about 1 3/4 cup of whipping cream, and 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Then go ahead and flour a surface. We're gonna drop this onto it, work that around. And I hate I didn't catch the beginning of this. You don't even need a rolling pin, just pack this out with your hand. I went ahead and I melted 2 tablespoons of butter to put in my skillet. You can melt this in the oven, but I've been super busy today, so I just thought I'd do it this way. Give that biscuit a little toss to get the flour off. I'm gonna go ahead and put this little skillet for me and my hubby in the oven. I've got it on 425, and then I'm gonna make another little pan and take to my little mama. And here they are. So I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter here. I'm going to add some garlic to this butter. 1 teaspoon of garlic to 2 tablespoons of butter. And we are just going to coat these biscuits. Just drop a teaspoon of that mixture onto each biscuit. They're so delicious. Now I'm gonna finish my frou-frou coffee and get back to that gardening.